Applying for a business loan is a critical and pivotal step for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are aiming to expand their operations, improve cash flow, make key investments, or effectively manage their growing finances. Before you even think about applying, it's absolutely crucial to clearly define the specific purpose of your loan, whether it's for business expansion, purchasing new equipment, covering working capital needs, or acquiring commercial real estate to support your growth. Take the time to thoroughly explore a wide range of various loan options available, such as traditional term loans for fixed amounts, flexible lines of credit for ongoing needs, specialized equipment loans for machinery purchases, and commercial real estate loans for property acquisitions. Among the most popular choices are SBA loans, which are government backed programs including the versatile 7 loans for general purposes, the 504 loans specifically for fixed assets like real estate and equipment, and microloans for smaller funding amounts, all of which often come with more favorable interest rates and longer repayment terms. Don't overlook other flexible financing options like business lines of credit that provide revolving access to funds, invoice financing or factoring to quickly convert receivables into cash, and merchant cash advances that offer fast funding based on future sales, each tailored to meet different business cash flow challenges and needs. To streamline and strengthen your loan application process right from the start, begin by meticulously gathering all essential business financial documents, including recent tax returns, detailed profit and loss statements, comprehensive balance sheets, cash flow statements, bank statements, and a debt schedule. In addition, prepare your personal financial information such as your own tax returns and bank statements, along with a full list of assets and liabilities and key legal and organizational documents like articles of incorporation, business licenses, and any relevant operating agreements. A comprehensive and well-crafted business plan is absolutely vital for success, as it should detail your overall business strategy, current market position and analysis, exactly how you plan to use the loan proceeds, realistic financial projections for the coming years, and a clear repayment plan to assure lenders of your commitment. Depending on the lender and loan type, you may also need to provide additional documents such as the standard commercial loan application form, a tax verification form like the IRS Form 4506, entity documents verifying your business structure, and if applicable, a real estate purchase contract for property-related financing. Lenders carefully assess several key factors to determine your eligibility, starting with your personal and business credit score, where traditional banks typically require a score of 690 or higher, though online lenders may accept somewhat lower scores with other strong qualifications. They also evaluate your time in business, usually preferring established companies with 2 or more years of operation, especially for banks, alongside your overall financial health demonstrated through consistent revenue streams, strong profitability margins, and healthy positive cash flow patterns. In many cases, lenders will require collateral such as business assets or real estate to secure the loan, and often a personal guarantee from the business owner, which provides additional security and commitment to repayment. For SBA loans specifically, your business must be actively operating for profit, primarily U.S. based, meet the SBA's size standards for small businesses, and importantly, demonstrate that you are unable to secure reasonable credit terms from non-government sources. To find the best fit, carefully compare different types of lenders such as traditional banks, community credit unions, fast-paced online lenders, and SBA-approved institutions, focusing on key differences in interest rates, associated fees, repayment terms, and specific eligibility criteria. When it's time to submit, ensure your application is filled out accurately, completely, and professionally, double-checking that every required field and supporting document is provided correctly to avoid delays or rejections. Once your application is approved, take the time to meticulously review the entire loan agreement, asking for clarification on any unclear or ambiguous terms, and strongly consider seeking advice from legal counsel to protect your interests. To significantly boost your approval chances, focus on building and maintaining a strong credit history over time. Keep open and proactive communication lines with your banker or lender, and consider applying well in advance of your actual funding needs. Make the most of any existing banking relationships you have, as these established connections often lead to more tailored support, faster processing, and a deeper understanding of your business's unique financial situation and history. For navigating complex financial decisions effectively, seek professional advice from experienced financial planners, accountants, or attorneys who can provide personalized guidance and help optimize your application strategy. Always remain cautious and be wary of predatory lenders who may offer high interest rates or unfavorable terms, and take steps to verify the legitimacy, reputation, and full details of any loan offer before proceeding. Take advantage of valuable SBA resources such as the Lender Match tool to connect with approved lenders and actively explore additional state and local small business development programs for grants, counseling, or other support. If traditional loans don't quite fit your situation, thoughtfully consider alternative funding sources like using personal savings or funds, attracting equity investors, or applying for competitive small business grants that don't require repayment. By carefully preparing, understanding your options, and thoughtfully navigating these essential steps throughout the process, entrepreneurs and small business owners can confidently secure the vital funding needed to fuel growth and successfully achieve their ambitious business goals.